Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Ford Fusion SE. It comes equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Bluetooth connectivity, power sliding sunroof, hill descent control, and so much more. Come check it out. Okay, moving on to the interior, we're going to have floor paneling and storage on the bottom here next to the speakers. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, chrome accents throughout the vehicle. And you're going to use all black cloth bucket seats, both power adjustable, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control. And left side steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and cruise. And the right side will be your voice recognition and volume control and infotainment control. Now for the odometer, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, including your gauges, your trip timer, as well as you can see your fuel economy. You've got your driver assistance as well, the traction control, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment system. Pretty straightforward. You got Sirius XM, CD player, and you got just Bluetooth connectivity. And then on the bottom, classic climate controls, and just below that, more storage with a USB port and a 12-volt. Little spot for the key there. And of course, you're going to have a little dial shifter with the parking brake and hill descent control here. Double center console with more storage, and passenger side, same finish. Power adjustable. You're gonna have that chrome go all the way across. Speakers and vents across as well. You can access your reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and that power sliding sunroof. We're just gonna have these 17-inch wheels on GD Connect tires here. You got the paint match mirror caps and door handles as well. Coming to the back. There's the exhaust at the bottom there. Pop up the trunk here. Pretty decently sized. And once you gotta find the hole here, and you got extra wheel well storage down below as well. It's pretty spacious rear. Move on to the rear interior. You're gonna have more paneling and storage on the bottom next to the speaker. Power window with the chrome handle. Back, pretty decent legroom. Storage behind the passenger and driver's side with a rear 12-volt DC port down the middle. You're gonna have cup holder and armrest right in the center. You got a lamp up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Ford Fusion SE. It comes equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as power sliding sunroof, hill descent control, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.